Here's an example of the marker's capability in the CARESTREAM ImageView software. We will begin by selecting a patient from the modality work list. After verifying the proper exposure factors, the radiographer captures an image that appears in the center pane. Any of the configurable top 10 markers can be quickly added to the image. Additionally, other markers are available through the More Markers button to be selected from. We will first add the supine marker to the image. Notice its font size can be adjusted between small, medium, and large sizes. Additionally, the ability to rotate the marker 90 degrees counterclockwise or 90 degrees clockwise are available if needed to avoid covering anatomy. We will also add the laterality marker and also use the free text marker to add the radiographer's initials. Once complete, the image can be accepted and queued for delivery to PACS. The radiographer can now navigate back to the modality work list for the next patient.